Let us see how to use ThinkStudio to copy and paste cell values from Excel worksheet to data table. Drag and drop copied Excel cells to data table action from activities. Drag and drop data table to CSV action from activities. Stitch all action nodes into a task workflow. Set first row has column names property of copied Excel cells to data table action. Set data table property of data table to CSV action to point to table property from the copied Excel cells to data table. Set append property of data table to CSV action. Set is first row header property of data table to CSV action. Set file name property of data table to CSV action. Copy Excel cells of the current worksheet. Click Run button from toolbar. You can see the task is executed successfully.